This isn't just your usual off-roading weekend. This is the Mudcraft approach. Hands-on training where beginners learn real 4x4 skills right on the trail. In partnership with Mototesto and Jungle Base 4x4 and fueled by Petron, we help drivers build confidence, understand their vehicles, and take on real terrain. Here's how it all went down, so sit back, grab a snack, and let's go! So what's up guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jungle Base 4x4 off-road and firing range, no? Kasi dito nagaganap currently yung Mudcraft basic 4x4 training, no? So actually sumalang na tayo dahil na-late nga tayo, may mga lakad kahapon agagabi, so na-late kami ng alis nila JR at ni Lenin. Ayan, tignan nyo yung lugar. So kung familiar kayo sa Campwell at kung nakapunta na kayo sa Jungle Base, dito yung training center, may iba-iba silang track for basic lessons and then advanced lessons as well. So again, would like to say thanks, no, kay kila Sir Elias, lalo-lalo na kila Ma'am Gloria, no. Hindi kami nakaabot sa lecture, but ayun, habol kami. Pinag-practical na tayo kanina and it was fun, no. Siguro kung maulan yung trail, kung maulan yung track, mas magiging mahirap, pero ayun, ang dami ko nakuha mga insights, lalo na yung mga super basic na tips and tricks, no, na kailangan malaman ng isang 4x4 off-roader. So yan, kausapin natin sila. Lunch muna pala tayo and then kausapin natin sila yung mga nag-lessons na.
Kasi hindi makita eh. Pero wala, pagka ganyan mo, hindi mo makita hanggang gumanyan ka eh.
Nung gumano na, ito.
Pag kinakabahan niya natin, mga ganun.
Where did the time go?
What's up guys?
How much can we both take when love isn't cool? I can't hear what you're saying when love isn't cool.
Try mo na ba yan?
I can't hear what you're saying. Strong lessons run brighter. That makes us two fighters. What I'm asking tonight is, could we get back to where we started? So what do you say to that? I know we both hurt bad, and you won't forget that fact. But I believe in what we had. Holding on, how much can we both take? But life isn't it cool? I can't hear what you're saying. Strong lessons burn brighter. That makes us two fighters. And what I'm asking tonight is, could we get back to where we started? Strong lessons burn brighter. That makes us two fighters. And what I'm asking tonight is, could we get back to where we
Oh yeah.
Alright, ganito, tapos na ako sa second round of assessment. So may mga may mga errors tayo na nabanggit ni Sir Pao Sir Pao. So napakagaling na instructor dito sa Jungle Base. So one of which ay yung syempre yung sa throttle control. Kailangan ano ka lang, easy ka lang sa throttle. Another one is yung sa river crossing. Huwag masyadong mabilis. Definitely paunahin mo muna yung bugso ng river. Madami pa actually na napansin na really for improvement naman talaga. So ngayon bumaba kami para tingnan namin yung kung ano yung ginagawa for recovery, ano yung mga best practices as well. So yan, nire-recover siya. So yun lang.
Nakakakat na ako, nagpakahulog ulit.
Oo, akala ko parang nilagay. Sir Mike, nilagay ko yung kotse na rin. Nung nag-park sa
Again, we're done with the basic 4x4 course by Jungle Base and of course powered by Mototesto. Sobrang daming mga natutunan. Hindi mo siya maaaral sa mga simpleng budol, di ba? Yung mga budol na trail ganyan. Kasi hindi naman nakikita yung mga bawat nagda-drive sa loob kung ano yung ginagawa, ano yung mga mannerisms, ano yung mga habit na kailangan i-correct. So, yun yung kinorek ng mga instructors and sobra namin na-appreciate yung mga tinuro nila. Lalo na nandun sa loob yung instructors. Konting libot lang tayo sa mga rigs na nandito. Yan. Meron tayong Suzuki, meron tayong Ranger. Yan. Hilux of course nila Ate Roma, Pelec, Land Cruiser ni Sir Mike, at itong Prado, Raptor, syempre si Aurora. At syempre may pinakamalupit dito, tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Grabe naman yan Sir Jude. Naka-boss aluminium. BA na lang to. So naka BA na si Sir June. Kauna-unahang Hilux sa Pinas na naka BA. Tingnan nyo. Designs na rin talaga. Hindi na ARB. Sobrang idol. Grabe. Siguro sa susunod na camping natin, walkthrough tayo na itong BA. Pero kung napanood nyo na yung last year na nirelease tong BA sa SMX, meron akong video nun ng mga features nito. Sobrang solid yan. Itong Boss Aluminum. Sir John, idol kita. Sana yung tipong pag nabangga yung kotse, ganito kagad yung upgrade. Kasi nabangga lang yung kotse niya Tapos yan na kagad yung naging upgrade niya. And sorry, pagod ako.
You've seen the trail? Now, let's hear what the participants have to say.
Okay, Michael Reyes. I've been doing off-road since, I think since last year lang. Since December when I joined the Christmas camping of Mototest 2.
Hi guys, I'm Brendan Ramel from Millennial Campers. Gaano katagal na nag-overlanding? Wala, ano pa lang, zero experience. Actually, ito yung pinakamagandang basic training talaga before kaming sumaba. We get to know our vehicles. Especially ako, 1 month pa lang sa akin yung kotse. So, pina-familiarize ko pa talaga. Hinahanap ko pa yung maging aswan kami. So, dito ko medyo na-feel yung kung gaano siya, kung paano ko siya sisingit sa mga masisikip na lugar, ganun.
Because before, hikers kami, we would go up mountains and hiking, di ba? But now at our age, at 50 plus, syempre, mas relaxed yung car camping, di ba? It's a relaxed version of hiking and things like that. So, that's why we transitioned to car camping.
Masaya. Masaya. I mean, siguro ngayon masaya pa siya. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga susunod na experience. It's something na magiging ready ka rin kapag nailagay ka sa alanganing sitwasyon kasi. So, yeah, may parang kaya mo na i-recover yung sarili mo.
The most exciting part is you're able to try different terrains. So, meron yung muddy part, yung rocky part, and then crossing streams. You know, and then yun ang maganda. And then aside from learning all those trails, you get to learn your vehicle, how to drive your vehicle. Yun ang importante, di ba? Kasi iba-ibang vehicle, so you have to learn what's the size of your vehicle, what's the capability. Like yung LC80 ko, very torquey. So talagang really alalay ka talaga sa gas.
Mahilig kami sa river crossing eh. So yung part na kung paano yung proper na pag-river cross, yun talaga din yung mas inalam ko. Nagtutulungan kami sa pag-navigate nung dadaanan namin. So yeah. Bukod sa naging aswan kami ng vehicle ko, mas naging aswan din kami ng asawa ko. Naging aswang pala.
Naging aswang.
Aswang yung rinig ko eh.
Biggest challenge was yung tackling the rocky part. Hindi ganun pala kadali yung rocky part. You have to understand where your differential is yung sa ilalim. Kasi kung hindi may mga rocky parts na matataas, you have to avoid that, di ba? And then saan yung mas trying to focus and finding a way where to bring the vehicle na mas maganda, na pinakamasanaw. Okay.
Yung descent talaga na sobrang
Bakit?
Sabi kasi ng instructor, wag ko daw ikabig, pero kinabig ko. Kinabahan ako kasi dumudulas eh.
I think for those who do car camping, overlanding, it's always good to have the basic training kasi it prepares you to face what you might face in overlanding. Kasi you can face so many things by doing the basic training. You get prepared. And at the same time, parang mas dapat relax ka, hindi yung gigil and all that, diba? Matututo kang mag-relax and focus and on managing different, and then ready ka sa surprises.
Noong una, medyo kinabahan talaga ako kasi wala talaga, zero knowledge ako sa pag-off-road. Then, nung sa assessment na, doon na nawala yung kaba ko. Doon na nag-gain ako ng confidence kasi parang alam ko na yung gagawin ko sa mga susunod pa.
Okay, well, sa akin, aside from learn your vehicle. You have to learn your vehicle, kung ano yung capability ng vehicles mo, and then get the basic training.
Right.
Get the basic training. Huwag gigayahin yung kami na nag-overland, nagtakadang kagad. Wala pong basic training, no? But we learned from that. But now, we're more confident facing those types of challenges. Na-trauma sa takadang no? Grabe. Kasi may mga bad habits You might develop bad habits, especially sa mga gas and things like that.
And yung na buhay ka, nakapunta ka din sa training natin, ibig sabihin, nakaligtas ka din sa off-road training.
Yes.
So yun. So,
yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Anytime.
Let's go.
Abangan natin ang launching ni...
I suggest na mag-basic training din muna talaga. Yeah. So, yeah.
Saan?
Napakahalaga nun.
Sa Jungle?
Sa Jungle Base.
Yun. Of course, in partnership with Mototesto. Yeah.
So kaya.
And yun lang. Thank you so much, Brendan and Lala.
Thank you.
First, thank you.
So medyo nakabisado nyo na yung car. Tapos ang iaano na lang natin is mostly yung driving skill. So keep on training. Para ma-practice yung skill nyo, babalik kayo talaga dito. para doon sa most na error ninyo are yung thumb nyo. Nakakalimutan nyo nasa dapat nasa labas na ipapasok nyo. Tapos yung cross ng arm, medyo na-correct naman yung iba. Tapos yun yung pagka medyo na-offshoot pa kayo karamihan sa inyo na-offshoot. So, kabisaduhin nyo yung dimension ng car nyo. Kung malapad yung gulong nyo, add-on lagi.
Remember na pag lumiliko kayo, merong konting dulasyon, right? So, kailangan magdadagdag kayo para hindi kayo na-overshoot. Kasi off-road, buhangin, putik, bato. So, kailangan dagdagan nyo, hindi tayo nasa tarmac na pag lumiliko kayo eksakto. So, need allowance para makakuha nyo na hindi kayo nag-over speed. Okay?
Sa mga instructor, lahat ng feedback, ang gagaling daw ng instructor natin. So, thank you. I hope na di kayo natakot at you can come back anytime. Just message Ate Gloria at mahahanap nyo sa Facebook. Punta lang kayo dito kung gusto nyo ma-experience na mas maputik. So, malapit na by July. Oh, yun. Okay. Next naman, may surprise tayo. So, pauwi natin, di tayo dun sa tarmac dadaan. Okay. Yes.
Congratulations everyone.
Gloria,
so lahat kayo ay pumasa today.
Every tao meron.
And that wraps up an incredible day here at Jungle Base, filled with mud, grit, learning, and laughter. Huge thanks to Ma'am Glo for the warm welcome and unmatched hospitality. Shout out to the legendary Dennis Javier, a true icon in the off-roading world. Of course, hats off to the Jungle Base certified instructors for keeping it safe, fun, and informative. Big ups to Moto Testo for the support and gear that keep us moving. Salute to all the participants. You brought the energy and the spirit that made this event unforgettable. Also, a big thanks to Petron, powering every kilometer of our adventure. Until next time, hanggang susunod na adventure, sumanyo nawa ang kapayapaan. Cheers!
Stop now. We're like the river in the sky. Fly high.
Si Kiko Maching.
Ako, ano na kasi naabutan ko si Bluey na eh.
Talaga lang.
Ay, hindi. Inside.